Hello friends, today in this video I am gonna tell you how can you edit your TikTok video in Inshot app. For this, open the Inshot app. Now tap on video option. Now here select the video you want to edit. First of all, you should have to change the canvas size. For this, tap on canvas and here select 9:16 ratio because it is for TikTok. Now OK. After that, you should have to remove the logo of Inshot. For this, tap on Inshot and here tap on free remove option. If you want to slow the speed of a part of a video, for this, first of all select the layer. Now tap on split option. It will split into two pieces. Now tap on speed option and here drag this button to the left. Now OK, so it will decrease. So if you want to add the text to your video, tap on text. Now here type the text. You can also change the color. Okay, you can change its position. You can also change its duration from here. So if you want to add stickers to your video, for this tap on sticker and here you can add many types of stickers to your video. These types are also available and you can also add smileys to your video. You can also change the duration. After that, if you want to add music to your video, for this tap on music option and here you can add effects and tracks to your video. So for this, tap on tracks and after that tap on my music. So you can add the music from your phone. Here select any music and tap on use button. Okay, so if you want to add effects or filters to your video, for this tap on filter and here tap on filter. Here you can select many filters to your video. Okay, if you want to add effects to your video, for this tap on effect. For example, I am adding distort and here I am selecting the mirror. You can also add 4 corners or 2 here. Now check the video. You can also increase its duration, increase or decrease. After that, if you want to crop your video, so tap on crop and here drag it. Okay, if you want to reverse the video, so tap on reverse option. It will start creating. Now let's check the video. It will start reversing. So these are all very interesting features of the Inshot app for TikTok video. So you can also make an amazing and interesting video for TikTok in this app. So I hope you will like this video and also subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thanks. Goodbye.